In October, we decided to check out the Sleeping Giant Trail, also known as Nounou Mountain in Kauai. This short popular hike resembles as a sleeping giant sleeping on its back. There are many stories to why he became one, but one of it was that he overate so much that he could not attack and have never woken up since. There are 3 trails to get to the top, and we decided to start on the west side and finish at the east trailhead. This 3.25-mile trek involved us staging cars, leaving 1 car at the exit point, and then driving over to the west trailhead to start our trek. We made our way up and went through a beautiful aisle of cooked pine trees, which can make a great spot for photo shoots. We passed the first bench that had the word Aloha engraved in, and soon after, we were greeted by the first open view of the island. We were a little over 15 minutes into the hike.
Oh yeah, the head.
Always make sure to stay hydrated since there can be days where there's no wind, making it a humid and muggy hike. 5 minutes later, we reached the junction. We reached the picnic table, and this is actually the chin of the sleeping giant. This is where most people turn around and head back to their cars.
Look at that fruit. It's like breadfruit. Oh, it is ulu. So at the picnic bench, that's the main lookout that people turn around at. But there's a side track to get to the nose of the sleeping giant. So we're gonna head that way. We're gonna head down that way after we go to the cave and the nose. But we staged the car over there.
There was a cool looking cave right below the nose of the giant. The cave had 2 openings that overlooked Wailua and Kapa'a.
Wow, it's amazing.
We finally made our way to the main attraction, the nose. It is a narrow way to get a photo op on the outcrop, so stay cautious when walking on the edge. To the left of us, you can see the Makaleha Mountains in the clouds. We followed the ridge more south, leading us to the forehead. This also had a nice viewing point. We made our way out the long switchbacks to the east trailhead. It felt longer going down than coming up from the west side. If it came to only doing one side, I would prefer starting and ending from the west trailhead since it is shorter and there is much more canopy. The east trail barely has any shade and is quite dusty. Thanks for watching this video and hope you are able to check out this hike one day. Hit that like button if you plan on visiting Kauai soon and comment below what is your favorite spot on this island. See you on the next one. Aloha!